guys, Reese here, and today we're going to be continuing our Pokémon movie Randomizer Nuzlocke. So basically, I'm standing right in front of Roxanne, and I just recorded a video for about 40 minutes. That's how long the video was, and trained everybody up, got everyone ready to battle the gym leader, got through Petalburg Woods, caught a Pokemon, lost a Pokemon, and none of my audio recorded, so I've got to start from here, but I can fill you in on what happened. So basically we caught Pearl, which is a clan Pearl, and still got Amethyst, the Gulpin, and got some Groudon, but we lost Sparky, the Jolteon, and basically we went through Petalburg Woods and we lost into a Medicham. So I'm just going to start here. We're going to fight Roxanne. Hopefully it's not too hard of a battle. I think she's only got 2 Pokemon. All my Pokemon are trained up so that they're same level as the Ace or 1 lower than the Ace. So luckily we're fighting a Trico, so we should be super effective with that. Sludge. Okay, so Trico's going to be down. Swinub, luckily this isn't going to be too hard of a battle. We've got 2 Pokemon super effective against both of Roxanne's Pokemon, or Gent Donna as she is called on this randomizer. So obviously I didn't just want to scrap everything, so I've just started from the gym leader. At least I was going to cover this anyway, so we've not lost too much. We've just lost the forest. So we beat the first gym leader, not too hard. I've got the stone badge. So we've got TM39, which she says is Rock Tomb, and we'll find out what it is. Fire Punch. That's not too bad, but I'm not going to use it yet because obviously we don't have a fire type yet, so it's not really worth it. I mean, I think Groudon can learn Rock Tomb normally, so should be able to learn Fire Punch. But I don't really want to do that. So it looks like we're going to have to go after the team magic group again. So obviously we fight him in the Petalburg Woods, but now we've got to go and get him here. So I'm going to see what our encounter is on this route as well, because I just realised this is a new route. Hello, Entei. Yeah, what do you think the chances are we can catch this? Probably low, but okay. Sleep, red health, Great Ball. I'm just gonna go Great Ball. No. Yeah, we're not catching this, guys. Yeah, I don't think we can catch this. We've got 11 Pokeballs, but I'm not wasting more than 5 because otherwise there's just no point. We're not catching this. I don't. Oh, it's a wait. We've got 2 rolls though. 1 roll. It's not asleep. It's asleep now. We might be able to catch this. Come on, Entei. You know you want to be with us. You know you want to join the team. I think this might be our last turn before it wakes up again. I'm gonna use Yawn once more. Got 3 more Pokeballs. I already can't afford to waste all of these, but Yeah, last Pokeball. And we can capture the MK, so I'm just gonna kill it. I hate when we oh, a 5-star. I hate when we can't capture Pokemon because we need Pokemon at the minute. We've got 3 Pokemon, that's not too bad, but we want to be able to capture as many as we can just to be able to have them. And a fire type would have been so helpful. I think Entei can learn Roxanne as well, so Fire Punch on Entei would have been helpful. Stab move. So I wanna battle all the trainers. I think Brawly's ace is oh my god. The Reggies have explosion. I should have pulled out into Groudon. Great. So second loss of the Nuzlocke, guys. So it's probably still only the second of many though. There's probably going to be more. Pearl wasn't a great Pokemon anyway, but it was nice to have a water Pokemon. Anyway, as I was saying, Brawly's ace is I think 19, so I think we'll probably get to around 18 for Brawly. So also one thing I mentioned in the video that I tried to record is that I'm going to start doing like a question of the day. So basically in episode 1 I mentioned that I like friendlier rivals more than the meaner ones. So basically my question of the day is, which one do you like more? Do you like friendlier rivals like Bianca and Sharon, or meaner rivals like Blue or Gary or whatever you want to call him? So as I just mentioned, personally I like friendlier ones more. So this episode is going to be a shorter one because this basically is mainly just focusing on the gym leader. So most episodes are going to be around about half an hour, but this episode, no, we need to buy Pokeballs. This episode's going to be probably around about 15 minutes. Next episode we'll probably be able to get Brawly, but maybe at the end of the episode, because I don't know how long it'll take to get there. I think what I'm going to do in this episode is just take out the tunnel and then I'll end it, and the next episode should be around about 30 minutes, like episode 1 was. So I'm not very good at Nuzlocke. I've tried Nuzlocke before and I've done them, I've completed the game, but I've lost a lot of Pokemon, so get ready for a lot of losses. The minute we only have 2 Pokemon, because I never went and bought Pokeballs. I'll be back in a second, guys. So guys, I'm back. I've bought 10 Pokeballs with the money we got from Roxanne. And okay, Marowak. Not terrible. Could have had worse. Ground type, I don't think it gets great moves, but we've already got a ground type, so we're not going to be using Marowak too much. But you know, it's nice to have as a spare ground type. I'm going to call you. Also, fair warning, I'm not great with nicknames, so I'm gonna call you Boy. I'm gonna call you Rocket. That'd probably be a better name for a Meowth, but you know, obviously Team Rocket kills a Marowak. We could have had a Latias. That'd have been great. Anyway, so yeah, Team Rocket obviously killed the Marowak in the Kanto games. So I'm going to take out this Magma grunt and save the Ringo. Kangaskhan is normal type, so we should be alright against this. And I've got Roxanne. Also Claptrell obviously has leveled up, not leveled up, has been healed up, but I'm gonna deposit it once we get back to the Rustborough. So we've got the 7 goods. We saved Pico, and basically Mr. Brownie is just staying, you know. But he'll give us a ride back to Brawley's Island. I don't know what it's called. I've not played Gen 3 that much. It's probably the one I've played the least. So also we get another Great Ball, and we're going to talk to the President. We've got a letter for Stephen. I probably shouldn't skip through all this text. Pokémon, I don't know what that does. I think it's just the map. So yeah, I'm gonna heal up and deposit Bill. So sadly we lost another Pokemon. I wouldn't have minded losing it if we had a spare water type, but it would have happened sooner or later anyway. It's not a strong Pokemon. So in the RIP box we have Sparky, Jolteon, obviously Pearl, sadly, and then we also have the spares box, which obviously we can't fill up yet because we're barely even holding on to any Pokemon at the minute. So anyway guys, I've defeated the gym leader. I've saved Pico. In the next episode we're gonna talk to Mr. Brownie and go to whatever Brawley's Island is called and get an encounter and probably defeat the second gym. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode. Bye.